Makalipas ang 2 taon, muling idinaos noong December 4, 2022 ang itinuturing na isa sa pinakaingranding prosesyon na ginaganap sa lugar ng Maynila. Samahan ninyo akong tuklasin ang istorya at ating alamin kung paano ito nagsimula. Intramuros Grand Marian Procession is the annual activity hosted by the Cofradía de la Inmaculada Concepcion Incorporation. It was started by the year 1979. This event takes place every first Sunday of December at the Plaza de Roma at the facade of the Manila Cathedral in Intramuros, Manila. This procession is the largest and grandest of its kind in the country. Over 100 images of the Blessed Virgin Mary participate every year, which comes from different parishes and families from all over the country. After 2 years, the highly anticipated Intramuros Grand Marian Procession was held and graced the busy streets of the walled city of Manila. Intramuros Grand Marian Procession is one of the biggest Marian events in the country, where hundreds of prominent Marian images from different parts of the country are being gathered for a religious parade. This tradition is done in honor of the Feast of the Immaculate Conception.
Dito dumadaan at tinatawag yung mga pangalan ng bituin ng bawat mga parokya, which is yung kahagaya ng na Grand Marian Procession itong nakaraang taon na mga koronada yung mga tinala. So dito nagaganap yun yung pagtawag. Tapos hanggang sa mangyayari na ipoprosesyon siya sa katabaan, sa dinadaanan ng Oo. So ito nakikita mo dito, pag Intramuros Grand Marian Procession, ayan ay ang nakaupo dyan ay ang ating mga kapitan at ang ating mga member ng Cofradía. Yan. At yung mga delegado.
Due to the global pandemic caused by the COVID-19 virus, the event was cancelled for 2 consecutive years, 2020 and 2021 respectively. Finally, after 2 years, the much-awaited gathering was finally allowed. The 41st Intramuros Grand Marian Procession was successfully celebrated last December 4, 2022. The annual procession has become a tradition and become part of Intramuros' rich history since 1619. Just to show how Filipinos love the Blessed Virgin Mary because of World War II, that tradition was broken. It was only in the 1980s we thought of revitalizing the tradition. The tradition of the Grand Marian Procession is an act of effort and love for our Blessed Virgin Mary. Since it is the patroness of the whole country and also devotion to the Blessed Mother.